Hey guys, we're back with another makeup tutorial. Today's look is going to be really flawless and glam. I wanted to use a lot of red because it's my favourite colour at the moment. So I thought, why not do a halo smoky look and a bold a bold red lip. It's so early in the morning, I'm just like blah blah blah. My mind is sizzled. So we're going to start with the eyes. We're using the Too Faced Sweet Peach or Too Faced Peach? I don't even know actually. Well, we're using that palette, the one that smells delicious. And we've used that crease colour. I will admit it didn't want to work with my eyes. I was getting so frustrated. But we got there in the end, so it doesn't look bad. And now we're going to be taking a red eyeshadow. So we're just taking this NYX eye colour and putting that on the inner and outer corner before we use a champagne tone from the peach palette again through the centre. How have you guys been anyway? Leave a comment down below and let me know how you're going. How was your Christmas and New Year's? Mine was so cruisy and just relaxed. Spent it with family and friends. Honestly, so nice. I am so happy that we're in the new year as well, 2019. I have a feeling this is going to be such an amazing year. I'm so excited for what's to come. You guys need to keep an eye out. Anyway, back to the makeup. What's new with me? Just getting caught off guard and blah 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 blah. So we've done the eyes now. I'm just blending them out for you guys to see and then adding that champagne tone. Do you guys like my earrings? I bought these the other day and they are so damn cute. They only cost like 10 bucks as well. I was so surprised because they look a little bit more fancy than that. And they've got little faces. I was actually had to buy them as soon as I saw that they had eyelashes on them. I was like, yes, these are for me. Also, have you guys seen my video where I give myself fake freckles with hair dye? I've had so much good positive feedback about it, so if you guys haven't checked it out already, I'll leave a link down below so you can have a wee look, because I have to admit, it's probably one of my favourite videos that I've ever done on my channel. Like, it's just so crazy how they turned out. So make sure you guys go and check it out. And if you could please give me a thumbs up for this video and subscribe if you haven't already. That would be amazing. I would love you guys so much because of course that helps me out. So thanks guys. Anyway, on to the makeup again, getting distracted like normal. What's new? That's me. So we are going to add some colour back into my skin because we all can see how pasty I am. So we're just using this bronzer to really warm up the skin. So this is a sleek bronzer. And then I am going to use one of my favourite blushes in a second too. It is Springsheen from MAC. I remember when I used to work at MAC, particularly in Australia actually, when I was at that counter. Everyone loved this colour. It was probably like that and what was the other one? It was like a mineralized blush that everyone loved, but Springsheen's like a beautiful summer peachy tone, so we're going to put that all over my face and then highlight. I actually completely forgot that I had highlight. No, I've got a lot of highlighters. Let's be real. I forgot that I had this particular highlight in my drawer because I think last time I wore it, it just looked so ashy-ish and pale on me. So we are going to use this and it actually turned out stunning. I'm so impressed with how it looks because it just really pops on the skin. I think because I've got a lot of bronzer on today. So this is a Becca highlighter. And of course we need to sort out my lips. My lips and my brows are looking really funny at the moment because there's nothing there. So we're taking this beautiful classical red. This is like a really nice dark sultry red lip colour. And we're going to put that all over the lips. So this is Cherry Skies by NYX Professional Makeup. It's one of their liquid suedes, which I do have to admit that's actually one of my favourite formulas from them. So we'll define my lips and we'll get to the brows later because we need to finish my eyes. I'm feeling like they're not quite complete just yet. So defining those lips, and then we're going to smoke out the lower lash line just with the red eyeshadow. We're not doing the halo on the bottom. And guys, my facial expressions are just so bad. I have the worst faces when I'm trying to either put mascara on or do a smoky like lower lash line. I just suck my lips in and I don't even know what I look like, but I look like a mess. So we're smoking out the lower lash line and giving me a little bit of colour. This really ties the look together. So if you're someone who, when you wear eye makeup, you don't put your, I was going to say your mascara. I mean, some people don't like mascara on the lower lashes, but if you don't put your eyeshadow on the lower lash line, definitely try it out and see how it works with your skin, because a lot of people are happily surprised when they try it for the first time. Mascara. This has to be one of my new favourites. I don't know if it beats the Stila Huge Lash, because that is still my holy grail mascara, but this one here, which is the Bobbi Brown Eye Opening Mascara, the wand is so nice. I love it for like a thick but natural lash look. Sorry if you guys can hear my computer at the moment. It is having a meltdown. I do not know what's going on. I'm not very good with tech stuff. But we're doing the brows anyway, so this is using the Rimmel brow powder and just defining them a little bit more. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was actually so fun to create a soft but glamorous eye and lip look. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you want to see next. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!